Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A14 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can change alarm sound in your phone Samsung Galaxy A14. First, go to the home screen and click on clock icon. Here, you will see list of alarms that you set in your phone. Currently, I have 2 alarms set. Okay, if you want to change alarm tone for particular alarm or all alarms, you can do it. I have set 5 a.m. For Wednesday 22 March. Okay, for this, if I would like to change alarm sound, what I got to do is just click it. I have here clicked, and here you have to click on alarm sound and then click on ringtone and change it tone. Currently it is set to over Horizon 2022 produced by Suva of PTS. If you want to change to other tone, just select the tone that you want to set. Okay, select the desired tone. I was selected. Finally start first, and after selecting, just go back and it will be set. See here, it is set now. Now current alarm is set to start first that you selected. Okay, so in this way you can easily change any alarm sound for your phone Samsung Galaxy A14. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye. Finally you go to click on save. Okay, don't forget it. Okay, because here you have changed, but you have to click on save, then only it will take effect. Okay, that's all.